How to distribute your music on Tunecore Rising Artist Plan. For this, open your Tunecore, then tap on Go Unlimited to check out your plans. So, right here you will see a lot of plans displayed. For this video, let's focus on Rising Artist, that is just at $19, and the perks are pretty awesome too. You'll get unlimited music to 150 plus digital stores, you'll be Spotify verified, you'll have official sales report, and get supported by Tunecore itself. Now, once you become a very successful rising artist, you can also go ahead and go through all of these plans. So for now, let's tap on continue without a plan. However, with a plan, the release option or the release criteria is the same. All you have to do is tap on add release. Select album, single, or ringtone. For an example, I'll be selecting album. Then, of course, you have to go ahead and add description about your album. So you have to go ahead and do that. Then tap on save, release, and add. Now to add more about your album, you can go ahead and even add stores. Now, as you will be using your Rising Star plan, you can go ahead and select your Spotify so that you will be verified. As you can see here, a lot of current digital stores that you can also give it a try. However, despite of any one selection, your music will be distributed throughout the 150 of the digital stores as mentioned in the plan. So here I've selected Spotify, as you can see. Then right here, there are social platforms where music will also be automatically distributed. You can also select the distribution for the streaming and downloading procedures. And you can go ahead and write more about your song, describe, add an artwork, and more. So you can go ahead and give this plan a try. It is definitely worth the price. So go ahead and check it out. And thank you so much for watching.